Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I got a mega size palette to try out for you guys today. I was blessed to receive the new Bella Beaute Bar Smoky Glam palette. This palette drops today at 11 a.m. CST. It retails for $69, but you can use my affiliate code STEFF10 and that will give you 10% off of your order over on Bella Beaute Bar. Now, in this gorgeous 36 pan palette, we're getting 24 buttery matte shades, 4 duo chrome shimmers, 1 multi-chrome shimmer, 5 ultra metallics, 1 shimmer, and 1 matte sparkle. This is going to be a big video, guys. I'm going to be creating 6 different looks. I'm not going to walk you or talk you through the looks. I'm going to play some music, and then as soon as I get done with each look, I will come on and share with you my thoughts, what worked, what didn't, what I'm loving, what I'm not. But I will say, the swatches of this, I enjoyed swatching this one yesterday. If you guys want to see the new Bella Beaute Bar Smoky Glam palette in action, keep on watching. And before we get started with today's video, if it is your first time here on my channel, let me say hello and take this opportunity to invite you guys to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. I tend to drop quite a few videos, so there's always new content, new things going on in my stash. I love indie makeup. I love creating multiple eyeshadow looks, foundation reviews, which I'm in the middle of a foundation review right now. It's a new Rituel Decay foundation, which I think you guys saw go up yesterday. I'm going to use my Sugar Drizzle eyeshadow primer. This has been my favorite eyeshadow primer of the moment, and if you want to purchase anything from Sugar Drizzle, because they got some new stuff coming out really soon, you can use my affiliate code STEFF10 to do so. This though retails for $7.50. Okay guys, so here's the completed look number 1. The eyeliner that I have on the top lash line is this one right here from Urban Decay, and it's part of the Robin Eisenberg collaboration, so not too sure if it's still available. It's like a black eyeliner with sparkles in it. It's called Snow or Stars. And then for the lower waterline, this one from Give by Gwen Stefani. This one is in the shade Violet Timing. Love it. The mascara I'll be using in today's video is the newest one from Fenty, which I have right here. I've been loving this mascara and I love this look. It's so easy to work with. I think you also noticed that I went in with this new beauty right here from Bella Beaute Bar. This is their Shimmer Stay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I already have the Sugar Drizzle eyeshadow primer on underneath, but I think the next 4 looks that I create after I get done with the second look, I'm going to start to use this one as the eyeshadow primer base and then also as a glitter primer or shimmer primer. There are no pressed glitters in this palette, just want to throw that out there. But when I do work with some of these, you know, special like duochrome, multi-chromes, it's always good to lay down some type of like glitter primer, glitter glue, just so that the shimmer can adhere better to a lid. So I'll be using this one. This is new to Bella Beaute Bar. I'm not too sure on the cost of it, but you can still use my code STEFF10 and that will give you 10% off of your entire order. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. Okay guys, here's a completed look number 2, a little gray smoky eye. I love it. I love how I was able to kind of combine bronze, kind of like a bronze shimmer with a silver shimmer up on the lid. It almost looks a little greenish. What do you guys think? I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liquid liner for the top lash line. Same Fenty Mascara. For the lower waterline, just a white eyeliner, cream gel eyeliner from ColourPop. This one is in the shade... I don't know. It's kind of rubbed off already. It's the white one. So these are the first 2 looks. 2 of 6. Let me take some quick pictures and then I'll come back and we'll start working on looks number 3 and 4 with the Smoky Glam palette from Bella Beaute Bar. Guys, here's a completed look number 3. I love the way this look turned out. Kind of just like an all matte look with just a little bit of sparkle on the inner corner. I am wearing some lashes and I'll probably continue wearing lashes for the rest of the looks, and they are these right here from BK Beauty and Risa Does Makeup, the style Vegas. These are the most dramatic from the collection. I tightline with the same Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liquid liner, and then for the lower waterline I went in with another one from ColourPop, cream gel liner in the shade Bay Breeze. I love the way this look turned out. I love this color combination together. Very easy to work with the palette. No issues so far. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 4. Okay guys, here's a completed look number 4. I love this smoky purple eye look and that inner corner. This shade is called Pink Diamonds. Spectacular. Okay, so I used in the lower waterline another one from ColourPop. This one is the shade of Fruit Fantasy. Same mascara, same lashes. I didn't even like really tight line the top lash line. I just added that liner to the lower waterline. That was it. Pretty easy look to create, just packing a dark matte on the lid and then kind of blending it out with the lighter one. Just put a shimmer all over and you're good to go. So I'm going to take some quick pictures and then I'll come back and we'll start creating the final 2 looks with Smoky Glam from Bella Beaute Bar. Okay guys, here's the completed look number 5. I love this little cut crease moment. I did use this one from Natasha Denona. It is her Work and Set gel liner and it's in the shade Nude. Same lashes, same mascara. And for the lower waterline, Give by Gwen Stefani in the shade Spiderwebs. Love that eyeliner so much. And I love the way this look turned out. Just a little bit of shimmer in the center and then also in the inner corner. It was a very easy look to create. We have one more look. Let's move over to the left eye and start working on look number 6. Okay guys, here's a completed look number 6. I love the way this look turned out. Again, a gray, purple, a little bit of pink, and it all kind of ties into, like, creates kind of like a greenish tint. What do you guys think? I love it. I love it. Same everything for the lower waterline, an Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Raw Energy. 6 looks later, I think I've used almost every shade in this palette. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video and give you guys my final thoughts on Smoky Glam. Okay guys, 6 looks later, 36 shades later in this Bella Beaute Bar Smoky Glam palette, I'm ready to share with you guys my final thoughts. The verdict is in. It's a pretty decent palette. The palette performs pretty well. I would say the mattes are really easy to work with. They're buildable, they're blendable. I like the variance in shades and tones. We got some lights, medium, and deep shades going on. The shimmers are beautiful. Duochromes, multichromes. I mean, Bella Beaute Bar has a wonderful formula when it comes to those special type of shadows. And I really enjoyed using their new eyeshadow primer. Definitely a must grab if you don't have one already. And that does work on helping the shimmer shadows adhere really well to the lid. 36 shades, $69, less a discount code, minus Steff10. Thanks again for supporting my channel if you use it. You know, you're gonna have to decide if these are your shades. This might be your one and done palette, your go-to palette, maybe for work or maybe for going out. Maybe these are the shades that you gravitate towards the most, and maybe it's time that you update your eyeshadow palette collection. This would be a fantastic place to start. You do get a full-size mirror and you get that nice faux leather packaging, kind of like a rose gold faux leather packaging. I think the color story is beautiful. It's a very easy to use palette. It's wearable. These are shades that are going to go with just about anything, any time of year. You're going to have to be the one to determine whether you need 36 of these smoky, pretty shades. I think you do, especially if you've never tried Bella Beaute Bar before. This would be a nice place to start because you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's video. Which look was your favorite? Team 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, none, all? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water, and I'm going to see y'all very soon. Bye.